Welcome to October's Cybersecurity Awareness Month celebration. We are so excited to be able to partner with you. I'm Diane Janosek from the National Security Agency, and I have the pleasure of being the training director for the National Security Agency, and I get to work with amazing institutions across the country. So, for Cybersecurity Awareness Month, the Centers for Academic Excellence in Cybersecurity decided to come together in this region to celebrate Cybersecurity Awareness Month through sharing of resources and stories and lessons learned and best practices. So, we hope that you enjoy the various lessons that they're going to be putting together in episodes to share their knowledge and just celebrating cybersecurity professionals, cybersecurity students, and just really coming together to make Cybersecurity Awareness Month the best it can possibly be. So thank you to Capital Tech, Prince George's Community College, UMBC, Anne Arundel Community College, Frederick Community College, Prince George's Community College, and other partners for helping us make this month so special, especially during the time of COVID. 2020 has been a little bit weird, but everyone has just rallied and really came together. And so I just want to say thank you to all those amazing educators and partners that we have and the National Security Agency and Department of Homeland Security. We just really appreciate you. So have a great day, have a great month, and thank you for celebrating with us. Bye-bye.